Hey, morning, gang, and happy Friday, 9:28. We got a minute and a half before market opens. We got our special guest here, Trading Cowboy, absolutely killing it.
Good
Woo!
morning, guys.
And if you guys had paid attention yesterday, the dude took a brand new fresh 50K account and literally passed it during our 1.5 hour session yesterday. That's pretty damn powerful, man. And his first trade too, like he was telling me, first trade kind of bobbled it because of me. He followed one of my trades, held it too long. Down 900, went from down 900 to passing the whole dang thing in an hour and a half session.
Yeah.
That's basically the dream there, boys. So make sure you pay attention. The guy with the cowboy hat on kind of knows a few things, knows what he's talking about a little bit. But yeah, so what we're basically talking about is overnight here. Let me switch over. So massive off sell-off yesterday. And then overnight, we've just been chugging up, chug, just absolutely ripping all the way back up here to the 870s. On the 1 hour, it does look, why isn't this not working? Why are we showing nothing? Oh, you silly, stupid thing.
Daddy?
What a professional show we have
Daddy,
here, guys.
why is he being mad at me?
Well, I don't know why he's being the way that he's being today. I'm sorry, baby. Sorry, guys. Market open here, and we are not on our screens. All right, there we go. So, what a reaction so far. Just got basically shot in the face. It looks like we might have support down here at 710, which we are absolutely racing to at the moment. Of course, our lovely guy in the cowboy hat here is already in a trade without telling us.
Well, I jumped in a little early, and one thing led to another, and I was down, and you were switching screens, and I'm not in it no more. I got scared, guys.
Jeez Louise, man, but you made money off of it.
Yeah, a little 416, it's a little 20 point.
Nice, man. Good start.
Just trying to get the heart pumping this morning. It's kind of like, when you go to the gym workout, you hit the treadmill first and get that heart.
Yeah, man. You got to get it excited, right?
So
Phew.
now I'm nervous and scared and sweating a little.
Yeah, waking them up. Waking it up. I love it, man. Get those synapses firing. So, man, again, just giving some credits to Carmen's trading situation. We came all the way down, tapped the 720s just to rip back up. So the 20s and 80s, it really is a very, very interesting kind of shift point there, huh?
Yeah, and that's the only reason, not a recommended trade. I wouldn't want to call that out, but, I tried to buy it when it hit 20, 25,
Yep.
and it put me up in there at like 40.
Yeah.
So just with that volatility, but
yeah, man, it's been so volatile.
I tried to set a stop in profit 3 times, and it rejected it because it was going back and forth each time. So
just blasted so fast. Yeah. Hey, morning driving obsession. How we doing, sir? Good to see you as always. Good to see you. See what the heck this finicky market is going to do. So basically on the 1 hour, we did come back down. We kissed our 1 hour. Kissed the EMA on the 1 hour right here. And we're starting to sell through it a little bit. We are breaking kind of our previous wick low, but it's still way too early. We're only 932. Man, does this do it to your screen too? When you have multiple screens on here, look at my crossbar. It's just freaking out.
Oh, it keeps moving around, yeah.
We gotta keep switching over to Traded Cowboy screen so it doesn't sneak a trade on us behind our back.
No, I mean we just it's moving too fast right now, but we wicked through that 712 area, which was support earlier this morning. So
yep. And now we're up here at the 780s.
Man. There's 100 points, guys.
Just rocket shipping right now.
Yeah.
What's up?
There's a remote for that TV. I looked everywhere.
I mean, you can't trade that.
Oh, she might have taken it then.
If I was playing one micro, I might have tried to gamble down there, but it would have just been pulling the slot machine handle.
Yeah. Which we're trying our best to learn to not do anymore. Man, this bull flag, though, on the 1 hour is really bull flagging. Came up here to tap the 873s. It does kind of look like a inverted head and shoulders too, right?
Yeah,
There's our
absolutely.
shoulder,
Yeah.
head, shoulder, and then maybe we'll come popping all the way back up to the 25,000s if we can get some momentum behind us.
Yeah, if we can push through this 873, man, it's just so. Yeah, we're only 4 minutes in, guys. So
Yeah, I know. And this this one kind of does this is one of those positions that stinks a little bit because we are up so high, and even though we have a juicy target above us, man, the stop again that'd be a big stop. That'd be an over
yeah, I
100
mean,
point
I
stop.
don't even know where you'd put your stop now. Good morning,
Right.
Mark. How are you?
Morning, Marco. Good to see you, bud. You know what's so funny too? I've always called you Marco. They're just like, yeah, his name's Marco. But that's probably your last name, huh? That's probably the start of your last name. Ostrowski. So you're Mark Ostrowski, and I call you Marco. How the 1 hour and
I'll be
4
using
hour
a little
candle
bit of both
closes is important for the
because I didn't
day.
know.
If they go red, then we could head further down. But if they close green, how the 1 hour and 4 hour candle close is important for the day. Yeah, it's just Mark. Well, sorry, man.
Dude, I
The
gotta
name
ride
Marco might stick, in all honesty. I kind of like Marco. It excites me a little bit more. It's more fun to say. Hey, Marco, you know? Poor guy. That is too funny, though, man. I just never even thought about it. See, that's why we need Trading Cowboy on this stream. He helps us with our trades. He helps us with the names.
Man, I got a few tough ones on mine. I'm still butchering whenever they get on, but
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I know. Like Sod. Hopefully Sod's name is actually Sod. All right, so we're coming back up. We're dancing at those bodies that those 3 candles created. It's finally 9:35, so we do have our 5-minute range. But whoever Mark T is, he is probably the guy who has been talking all those bad. Yeah, right. That's the guy that's been taking all those bad trades. It wasn't me. That's super funny, man. And same thing happened to me last night too, man. I got home at 7 o'clock. I told myself not to do it. I did it anyways. We lost another like $250 last night. I'm actually down on the day right now because of yesterday. Son of a gun. Man, so reacting back down. We're kissing our EMA right here.
Daddy, don't use the water.
I got to, baby. I got to. Josh and
you
I
know,
are
could
almost
have
done.
took
It's
a
looking
shot
really
off that 20s maybe, but that's just a mental area. I mean,
Yep.
I hate to just jump in there. We're trying to push, but I don't want this to be a fake out when we're this high up here. Because again,
awesome,
I mean, where would your stop be? I mean, 740s.
Oh, it's on the wall.
Right.
There's a TV above it.
Yeah, I mean, literally.
Did you guys have to attach the TV, or was it?
No,
TV
that's a
already there?
fireplace, baby. All right, let me concentrate for a little bit, though, please.
Yeah, Mark said he got wicked out on so many trades yesterday. Man, that was crazy. I mean, we'd have a real good move, and then we'd have this chop that was, 20, 30 points, and you could get in on one of them right, but then it would wick you out. And
Yep.
man, it was a terrible afternoon for everybody, I think. So
Yeah, man, so stinking frustrating. Thinking about
I'm
it,
gonna try
huh?
a little push right there. I'm gonna put my stop below these wicks. It may wick right down there and get it, but just to see if we can get that push through.
Let us see. Let us see.
We kind of got above my little flag there a little bit, and then as soon as I entered, it got right out of it. But just see if we can get that push.
Still pushing up a little bit right now.
Try to target maybe right there, about 20, 21 points.
There we go. There we
There you
go,
go, guys.
bud. There we go. There we go, gang.
Oh,
That's
still
not a
pushing.
bad trade.
Kind of wanted to put it above that, but I didn't know if it was going to wick through
Boom.
it. So I'd take 20 points any day.
Yeah, boom. I just got a 20. Well, actually, what the hell did I get? I got 40 points on that, bud. Shoo!
Hey, there you go. Look at that.
Look at that. Not
There you
bad,
go,
gang.
guys.
Not a bad start to the day. Shoo! Man, great call out. Trading Cowboy. Look at that. We're rocking and rolling here, gang. All
Yeah, I
right,
got
so
out a little too early. If I'd have held with you, I'd have got another one passed right there.
shoot, man. Yeah, this dude crushes evals. Absolutely crushes evals, man.
Yeah, I was in at 861. Out at 83, so I got a little over 22 points, but
Yeah.
left a little bit on the table there.
Shoot. But now that we've broken, so let's pop back over to our 1 hour. Man, why is this
Man, our
screen
1 hour
so
is killing
wonky?
it. You know, it kind of had a little doji while ago. I don't know if y'all watched it a while ago, but it ripped down and broke that 4 o'clock morning low at 712. Wicked it. The EMAs caught it, and it ripped right back up. Kind of got up here to the 850s and then kind of came back down. Kind of wicked through it, came back down and made a doji. So I was real indecisive on what was happening, and then it just shot past it. So
Yeah.
and I mean now we have a 210 point 1 hour candle.
Literally, look at that. So this is what he's talking about. Sorry, I was kind of messing around with my screens at the time, but yeah, look at that beautiful bull flag on the 1 hour. Came down to the 700s, and then there's a 200-point ripper, like he's mentioning, all the way up here to the 920s. Now that we've hit the 920s, I mean, we got a little point up here at 962. Otherwise, I mean, again, 25,000 almost seems to be in play today. We've had such volatility that, I mean, another 100 points. What's another 100 points at this point, you know?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what Mark's seen on the 4 hour, but you know, we have like 960s kind of next, maybe. Have a little at 920 where we just kind of bounce, but if we can get through that, I think 960s, and then I mean I think 25 after that, pretty easy.
Yep.
But on a 4 hour, we have 25.045 as the 9. So
yeah, but yeah, you're right. Here's the 4 hour shelf basically. That
Or the
960.
21.
That 960 feels pretty juicy.
yeah,
Well, we're continuing to push. We're back up to our 920s. We had a real good reaction off that EMA there.
yeah. See, it didn't really make quite a bull flag, but it went right back down to my exit a while ago and
Yep.
bounced right off of it. So. I think we'd have to get a pretty good little pullback here now, maybe, to see anything.
Well, yeah, and then the cloud too. You know, our order blocks here. I mean, this is our shelf down here at 852. Which, man, lately this shelf has just been one continuous big blob of gray. Now we're finally actually getting some, levels on it to kind of help us a little. See how it reacts off the 21 here, 840s.
Yeah, so we're going to have a 230 point, 15-minute box, ORB box. So anything could happen today.
Yeah. I mean, it might even just stay within that range then, you know? It might just be...
Yeah.
That's a big friggin' range, you know?
Kind of see how it plays with these 40s. But I kind of think it may come back down and back into the... God, I don't know. Maybe come retest the 800s, but...
Yeah, watch this come all the way back to 750. Maybe 820. Maybe like that 818.
Yeah.
Retest that 818 wick, and then we'll have a little pop from there.
And we'll kind of see what it does here. You know, if it starts playing out our little inversion or something, if it holds this support here, then we can use these 40s as a low. Kind of push down just a little. Yeah, that'd have been a good entry there, but missed it just a little bit. So that's the setup I look for right there, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, we had this little doji. This candle opened and immediately pushed down half of that wick. So my entry would have been 860s. and I'd have just tried to ride this out a little bit. So there was been another 20 points, but just didn't catch it that time.
Yep.
But that's the setup I look for every day, all day.
Yeah, man. I was rewatching our stream late last night, and then didn't rewatch, but then watched your later stream too to try to kind of like pick up on like where the heck are these candles actually moving to, and what he's looking for.
Yeah, I mean, just looking for those shoulders. I mean, right here, there's not really a good exit shoulder, but up here at 908.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that would have been like a long way target. But I mean, look, it's going to hit it right there. Just hit the 908. So I just look at these previous big shoulders and know that's going to be kind of a good area. So I'll set my take profit a little bit below. So probably would have done like 899, 900 as a mental.
Yeah.
But I mean, that would have been 40 points right there.
And now you consider it too late, right? So even though this
Yeah.
candle now went
Yeah, I
halfway
mean,
down, the move's already
you know,
kind of
I'm
happened.
straight momentum. I mean, I say that over and over again, but I want to see that push, and I want to see it push right up, and I want to see 10, 20 points. I mean, if we went back and looked at some of my stuff, I can pull some up, but I mean, most of my trades are, 30 seconds,
Yeah.
20 seconds.
Yeah. Quick.
Yeah. And my watch will go off, if I'm sitting here not moving and I get in a trade and it goes the other way and I'm in for 2 or 3 minutes, my watch will go off saying, "Are you exercising?"
That heartbeat just starts pumping a little bit too much.
Yeah. I want to put that on the screen for y'all guys somehow where it'll track my heart rate and it'll put it up there,
Man, I saw who does that. There's a streamer that does that.
I think Nutty Bar does that sometimes. I don't see it on his
Yeah,
all the
that's
time,
who it is.
Man, I love that, man. I mean,
Yeah.
there's no telling what mine would be, when I'm in the trade. So,
I know. Well, and
especially when you're live.
I was mind blown too at how low his kind of resting heart rate always is. I
Yeah.
feel like it was like down in the 60s or something like that. I'm like, my God, I feel like my baseline is like 140,
Right.
And then somebody smiles and just says like one thing slightly interesting. Like I'm Chihuahua style. I'm instantly like 180. I'm like, boom. All right, let's do it. What are we
Yeah.
doing? Which is probably a terrible trait for a trader, by the way. That's what I have to battle because that's like.
That's why we need those heart rate monitors. I think people would watch this just to see what it does.
Oh my God, man! I would be spiking left and right. They could probably, start a techno beat or something like that to mine. All right, man. So we had this curl down. We had an bear flag basically forming that got invalidated as we kind of expected. Again, overall targets here probably 960s and then 25,000s, but shoot, man, at this point, it's pretty dumb to say 960s when we're 10 points away. All right, so now we want to see a push down, and then we want to see a push back through like the 932s, basically, huh?
Yeah, man. I mean, we missed a great move right there. Got out a little early on the last one, but it made a nice little inversion. So now we want to see, is this over? Are we going to get a bigger push down? Our 15-minute kind of wick through the box, came back through it, making a little doji right now. So. I could kind of see a pullback. I mean, I still could see a pullback down to the 850s. This hourly, if it closes up here, we would want to see a pullback to, the 870s at least probably. So,
yeah. Yeah, it's basically that midpoint of the bar, yeah.
Yeah, just the midpoint of that is kind of what I look for.
And you got that kind of
still
that
trying
wiki.
to push right here, though. And we've had just multiple days in a row selling, so I mean, this may be our reclaim right here.
Yeah, Friday, just a Friday FU, just keeps pushing, squeeze out all the shorts.
Yeah, and everybody's scared right now to go long. So
that's true. It's perfect time. But then, so that being said, do you think that there's got to be like a shakeout candle sooner than later as well, right? There's got to be just a big old red candle to get everybody real nervous about the longs.
Yeah, and I mean, we kind of already had. I mean, that 836 candle, the 841 candle. I mean,
you're right.
Those were big pulls. Right here looks juicy for me, but I'm thinking, man, if I enter right there at 26, it's probably just going to keep coming down. So want to be patient, but it's hard.
Trying. Impatiently patient.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, we're pretty far away from the 9 on the 5-minute now, too. It's 864. So still gives Crescents that 860 retest if we ever stink and get it. Or yeah, any retest of the 21, really. If we get any type of 21 retest, it seems like that's a pretty good springboard at the moment.
Yeah, if we can, if we can come back and see it, I hate to take a trade way up here. I mean, we could use this 820 or 920 as support, so our stop could be at 900. But I mean, do we want to have a 40-point, 50-point stop?
Yeah. But yeah, now we're getting into like Patrick's theory, right? We've hit this line basically 3 times, this resistance point. So some people see it as his weakness. He sees it as we're building up momentum to, punch through with some pretty good ferocity.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, the bull in me says, okay, short it. Well, there you go.
There you go. Huge reaction down to the 9s.
Yeah, and I love that. I love that reaction. If I'd have been a little faster, I would have tried to catch it down there. But that speed right there is what I love to see.
Yeah.
To catch that, to go back up, to break these highs.
Right.
Because it is. It stops them. It stopped a few bulls out, and now it's going to try to push. And
retesting the halfway point.
I mean, when we just had a 40-point, 50-point move, I mean, how many bulls and how many bears did we just knock out?
Right.
So again, we came down here, 900 held. It came back and retested 920. I mean, I really don't see how we don't get a push back up, but do you try to long it at the top? That's my...
Is it your medicine since you got home?
No. All right. Yeah, I wasn't sure if he was done with it. It was like a 5-day thing, I thought.
No, this is until we go back.
Oh, God. The poodle has a ear infection because he's so obsessed with the water. He's such a water dog.
Oh.
Yeah, and then the groomers apparently weren't doing a good enough job getting the hair out of his ears and stuff. So he just got this big old wax buildup and stuff. And yeah, so you got to give him eardrops every single day, and it is a nightmare, man. So here's the push. Push up to 955s, 960s here. Shoot,
could have been in that, guys, but I don't know.
Yeah. Shoot. All right, ripping up to the 980s here.
So yeah, I mean, maybe a slight pullback, and then I think we see 25.030s maybe again pretty quick.
Yep. Yeah, that was our, well, I guess kind of that, was that a 950 candle? No, that was the 951 candle. We're right against right against our resistant lines here. But we've been just riding them the whole stinking time, so we'll see. I mean, we basically created this perfect channel. Do I have a channel tool? Is this going to be an easy channel tool or a shitty channel tool? Oh, does it actually lock it? Something like that. Yeah, so let's see if we can get a retest of like the 940s maybe. Man, ES is just ripping. Same thing with NVIDIA though. NVIDIA is just going through the friggin' roof right now.
Yeah.
Look at NVIDIA. Oh, why is this guy not on? There we go.
Yeah, NVIDIA would have been a good call out at 174 this morning.
Yeah,
as soon as
man.
they crossed into the 200 at 175.
Just blasted, which, yeah. I always forget to check my normal stocks because of day trading. But, yeah, I'm, like, heavy into Google and Meta and all that stuff right now. Tesla. Which they're all having their slight little pullbacks at the moment. Kind of excited about the SpaceX IPO, man. How are we going to play SpaceX IPO? That's going to be a
Oh
crazy
yeah.
day. That might be a day
That
where
would
we
be
don't trade futures at all. Man, I guess that would be, I don't know. Do you trade futures that day or do you not trade futures that day?
Are you going to start doing an option day?
Well, I don't know if, yeah, I know, right? My God. I don't know if, will SpaceX have options day one? Is that a thing or no?
I don't know. I don't think they will on day one, will they?
Yeah, I don't know if that's a thing.
I think you could buy the stock, but
Yeah. But yeah, man, that's going to be a crazy IPO. Like, people are saying maybe it's going to open up at like 120s, which means it's going to open up at like
yeah,
350s, guaranteed. It's going to be something insane
yeah,
like that.
yeah,
Like $200 beyond what it's supposed to
yep.
open up is where it's going to open. All right, so what do we think on this reaction with the 21? Bounces at 906. We haven't broken the 21 yet. We've had just nice reactions off it each time. It's 954. What are we thinking?
Well, I mean, off screen on one of my little funded accounts, I took a short up here at 62, but I closed it as soon as it touched the 21. So
Oh, wow. That's a nice friggin' short, man. This is a 40-point
yeah,
short.
yeah, I guess I got a little short of that. I got 713 out of it, but
Phew.
I hate to call those out. I'm not a bear, guys. So
But when you are,
every time I click that red button, I get more nervous.
yeah, bud. Well, look at this. I mean, this is the first time we came down to the 45. Tapping the 45 here at our, and this is the point we wanted. We kept talking about our 860s. Can we get the 860s?
Yeah, I mean, I think I wasn't expecting it to happen before this hourly closed. I was kind of wanting to see it happen first. So now, kind of we'll have to let that 1 hour open and kind of see which way it pushes. But I was really wanting to see that 1 hour close, up in the 950s, 940s, and then
Get a wick down
our
and then,
next hourly candle push down. But
yeah.
oops. So if we delete that,
I mean, we might have support down here at 845s as well.
yeah, I think we may get a little quick bounce right there, maybe for a little quick, 10, 15 points, but I don't know if it's going to be done. I hate for it to go down a wick through that 817 area,
Right.
but we are showing some support right there.
So 956. We also have news at 10. Mark with the news. Man, I like Marco a lot better. Marco! Marco with the news.
Just saved our accounts.
All right, let's see. What is the news at 10, sir? Man, and again,
Now,
what a
kind of what
thing.
that told me is we still have 2 minutes of trading we could do.
Yeah, let's hurry, let's hurry, let's hurry. So we got consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock here. 10 o'clock is consumer sentiment. Man, I need to know this stuff. I don't know this stuff. I need to have it ingrained in my system again that, hey, sit down, check the news. Sit down, check the news. So discombobulated from this last week, man. I still can't believe it. I had like 2 solid weeks of trading and then just blew it up in one day, basically. And then yesterday was no better, Then last night was no better. Finally, this morning is actually pretty good. It's a good morning. We've only had one trade, but it was a monster trade. So, not terrible there.
I'm always one of those guys when I'm down a little bit, I either get even or even worse.
Yeah, 100%, man. Hey, Charles, we always appreciate the thumbs up, bud. We always appreciate it, sir.
Good
This
morning,
is
Charles.
you. This is you of M sentiment is used to manipulate the market. In my experience, yeah, man. I mean, I think honestly, most news is manipulated because I mean it's just insane. Like you could have higher than expected, CPI numbers, and we tank, and then next month we'll have higher than CPI numbers, and we'll rocket ship, and it's just never like. It's always like a damned if you do, damned if you don't. Who the hell knows what the hell's gonna happen type situation.
Little trade entry right there, guys, off the 81. stop at 56. It's going to be real tight.
Yep.
I don't think it's going to push. We're close to our 10 o'clock, so.
Man, right on it.
It kind of held it right there for a second, but.
All right, man. I'm in with you. Uh-oh. Maybe it's a bad idea. I'm in when you're out. Good. Good. Good way to play.
Continue pushing down, you know.
Yeah. I mean, it does have a chance, though. Look at this. It is popping up. It does have a chance.
It does, yeah. I mean, I liked it.
Ah, shit. Let's see. I don't want to hold the stop too early, but I should have put it to probably break even just in case. So we still got 50 seconds left on this guy. Man, if we could just break above this little... If we could break above 73, I'd feel a lot better about it.
Yeah, if we could push back up above those 80s for sure.
It's going to get wicked.
And just like Mark told us, we're playing that 10 o'clock handle.
Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. We got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left to save us. Come on, baby. 13 seconds to save us. Give us something. Give us something. Don't wake me. Don't wake me. 4 seconds. Nope. Big wick.
Yeah.
Yep, there it is. Hey, Mega Musketeer. We haven't seen you a little bit, bud. How we doing? Good to see us. Thanks for popping in. Yeah, we knew it was going to happen, man. We knew it was going to happen. Shoot. Man, so strong wick down.
Yeah, everybody's fighting right here. Yeah, no continuation. We're still going to get a push down.
Let's see. Turn it around. Come on, guys. Turn it around. I mean, yeah.
Yeah. No push at all.
Order filled.
Yep. Shoot.
Kind of got the 200 right there on a 1 minute. I don't know.
So ES is curling back down to its EMA. Qs are back to its EMA. Nvidia's curling down a little bit. VIX is going up just a smidge. But I don't know. I'm still not really expecting it to just crash here. It's getting a bounce off the 800s.
Yeah, I mean, we got some support at 800 for sure on a 1 hour.
Yep.
We really need to see it back above 850s, though. I mean, I think we see kind of in the middle of our box right here, so that's kind of why it's holding there too.
We're almost to the midline. Midline of the first opening 5 is 794.
Okay.
Looking for buys also. Need a bullish 61.8% retracement, then 3 FFG for current pullback for entry.
I mean, I like the little stair step starting to form. We just don't have anything really over here.
There's support, right? We're kind of in that no man's
Yeah.
land, right? And it's slowly just kind of sinking still.
Yeah. Hmm.
Geez, still just slowly falling here. Maybe gonna retest 740s.
Yeah, I mean, on a 5-minute, I got my VWAP at 761. So maybe we get a little run down to it, wick through it maybe, but trying to build a little green candle right here. So
I have my VWAP
5-minute
at
closing.
670 on the 5. Is that what you said?
Mine shows 761.
What? Why does mine show 670? That's weird.
Now I don't know who's right, but
670 on the hold on. Yeah, I'm
Let me
showing
make sure I'm on the
670s.
right.
That's strange.
Missed that one too, guys. We've been sitting here waiting and waiting. So there was our nice hammer doji candle. This candle opened up, pushed right to the middle of that body. We just didn't grab it.
You have to go off the NQ VWAP, not MNQ VWAP. Interesting, man.
Oh, okay.
I did not know that.
And right back down.
Super crazy, man. What a difference. NQ to MNQ. Super weird. Let's switch it all over then. Man, so pushing through for shorts now, huh?
Yeah, I mean, that's almost would have got me in. Sometimes I set that short entry below that body, but below that wick, through that 81, I think we get a little continuation. If we can see a small retest back up to 790s, maybe, I don't know. I need to take my computer and turn it over when we're going short because it's easier for me to read that way.
Right. Yeah, it definitely seems like she wants to sell at the moment. But again, just looking at ES and everything else, it's right at the point where everything can potentially find support, including us. You know, we potentially might have support at just 753 here.
Yeah. And that was a nice bear flag. It came up here and stopped out some of the bears, and then those market movers just pushed it right down.
Yep.
Little bounce off the VWAP right here, so may get a little bounce, but I think we got to wick through it a little bit first.
That is super weird though. I mean, it makes sense, but NQ versus MNQ VWAP wise. And obviously NQ.
Yeah, because I think the
mover.
price is just slightly different too, isn't it? I mean, isn't the price just a little bit?
Yeah, presumably. I see the live price there. 774, 776. Yeah, you're right. It is. Yeah, just a little bit off. Yeah. MNQ is a lot more volatile sometimes. All right, we need a real solid, juicy trade in here. Right?
Oh yeah, I mean right here, I mean I think you're just catching candles because I think we still have some more downside. I mean it kind of retested half that candle and then pushed kind of right through it. So could set an entry right here at I don't know. I don't like that really. 88, 89, but we're in a downtrend right now for
Right.
for a little bit. So yeah, see, so that kind of would have entered me right there. Then it's real indecisive. So
Pushing
let's
it.
try one right there, just so we're in a trade.
I like that.
I'm gonna set my deal to break even, just in case we wick back down. Guaranteed 3 points.
Yeah, I just got
Oh,
stopped
come
out,
on.
but 10 up.
Come on.
I got stopped out up 10.
That a boy. You trailed a little tighter than I did. I was expecting us to run to the 21 real quick.
Yeah, I had my target there, but yeah, I'm gun shy now, man. After yesterday and today, oh,
And that's just it. I mean, you know, playing NQ, if you're right and it moves up, 60, $70, I don't mind setting my stop at $20 and taking
right,
$20 in 2 seconds, 3 seconds. But
right.
I don't want to do that consistently. But
It's setting up too to keep pushing. Let's see.
yeah, see, that's a nice push. Little inverse hammer right here, kind of confuse you a little bit, and then there again, kind of a better entry would have just been buy where we bought it, stop below 770s.
Right.
Beautiful 40-point trade. Nice rearview mirrors we got though.
Yeah, nice and clean. It's nice and clean. See, we come up, retest the 850s now. I mean, the hourly candle looks a lot better now if we did want to keep pushing. The hourly candle's where we need it to be.
Yeah, I'd like this one to close right in here. Get a push down maybe, but I want it to be a good push. Yeah, it's going to run for a second, I think.
Man, I like the patience you practice too.
Well, I wanted to be in, but I wanted to get that push down just a little bit. I
Right.
mean, 820
Yeah.
to show that was support. Five
Maybe.
minutes looking a lot better.
See if we can't get a little retest.
I mean, the 15 just took a huge bounce off VWAP. I mean, that would have been the play for sure. So now I'm kind of thinking, I kind of think we're going to wick up about half of this wick, maybe the 859, 860, and then a little push down, I think.
Yep. Man, big push back down.
Yeah.
Big push back down, man. I almost... You know how close I was to entering a buy up there? You know?
Yeah, I mean, it happens every time, though, Greg. I mean, we get that wick through the 21. We may have a strong push.
Yeah.
But we always need to retrace back through it. So
Jack! Hold on. Sorry.
sure.
Damn it. Jack! Come here. Where you at? You still got it? Not your food. Stinking dog. Just eating eggshells out of the trash. Ugh. Alright. Alright, guys. What the heck are we doing here today?
Little volatility right there. Getting a little action on the close of this 15-minute, but
Alright, we're back in. My buddy's kiddo is sick today, so he's pushing us back until we're not meeting until 12 or so. So you guys got me longer.
hey, here we go.
You got me longer.
Strong bounce off the video.
Oakland is
Yeah.
sick. So
Josh is staying home with him?
no, but he has to wait until Heather can get home, which will be around noonish. Or we'll meet up around noonish or something, but he's gonna let me know when he leaves the house. Yeah. All right, Mark. I'm looking for a strong bounce off the VWAP if I want to go long, or push through the VWAP, make new lows for shorts. Man, that's going to be such a... I mean, just again, you get so used to looking at your screen and looking for specific in certain things, right? And my
Right, yep.
screens, these guys here, have always been MNQ, not NQ. So having this different VWAP line now compared to my Tradevate VWAP line, which is on MNQ, you know, so Tradevate has it at 680 versus,
Crazy.
you know, right here is at 6 whatever.
Yeah.
Freaking Trading Cowboy's trying to get in a trade right here while I'm talking, isn't you? He's thinking
Oh,
about
it
it.
keeps tempting me, but
I can
it keeps
tell.
tempting me, but I think it's trying to trap the bulls, guys. I really do.
Yeah, I mean, right now we're in that channel.
Yeah.
Which, man, I didn't even... I got a ghost help me out today. I didn't create this. Like, I created the channel going up, and then... No way. It's automatically fluctuating with it. That's pretty damn cool. I didn't know it did that.
Wow.
So, yeah, it shifted the point. So now it's actually trending it down. It's showing the channel almost perfectly. So you'd think we're
Nice.
going to get a nice little bounce up here to the 850s pretty soon.
We're trying.
Oh, this motherfucker's in a trade.
Order filled.
Just as soon as we bounced through that last wick, I just grabbed two right there. So
Yeah, of course you did.
I'm gonna skid up here to the 80s.
There we go.
There's the
There we go.
90.
Boom.
Order filled.
Beautiful
gonna
trade,
hook
man.
it right
Beautiful
there.
trade. Beautiful trade. I just got
Stop a
30
little
points on
short.
that.
Ah, I almost had it. I got 14.19 out of it, but I'm $60 short of passing.
This fucking guy, man.
So that $60 is a doozy, guys. It'll.
Yeah, always, man.
I can't make $60 to save my life a lot of times.
Man. Oh,
You know, I saw 53 up there on the screen. I was like, okay, exit, and I got it at 9:33.
yeah. But man, the second you go quiet, from now on, I'm gonna know. I'm like, this guy's quiet. He's in a trade.
You know, I was wanting to be in. I was wanting to be in at 75 right here,
Uh huh.
and I waited, and then it wicked down through, and it was this candle was a fast wick, and it cleared out this 758,
Yeah.
and it was so fast. So as soon as it hit, I mean, the second I saw it wick, I clicked buy, and it
Yeah.
hit me right there at 59. So,
Dang, man.
but that quick wick, man, it doesn't matter if it's funded. If I was on my funded, I would have tried to grab it there.
Right, just always snagging it. Yeah, man, I ended up
Yeah.
getting, I did 78 to 808, so that wasn't bad.
Yeah, nice.
That
so you
wasn't
got another
bad.
30 out of that.
Choo.
So now you got 70 points going your way.
Yep.
Yeah. Mark, I've blown a lot of accounts with a few dollars left to pass. Mark, you wouldn't believe, buddy. You would not believe.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna have to probably take that one off screen to trade the next $60. Oh my gosh. Nice push up.
Yeah, real nice push.
May get a little stop here at 856. That's the shoulder of that previous 15-minute.
Yeah, everything's looking great on the 5-minute as well. Same thing with NVIDIA. It's really curling up strong here.
Yeah.
My only little bit of hesitancy would now be, you know, this little channel that we've created. We're right at the tippity top of it. So let's see if we get any type of bounce back down. I mean, we might have a 100-point bounce.
Yeah. You know, there's kind of a, not a good entry, but kind of a destiny entry right there if you thought it was going to keep going up.
Mm-hmm.
What did we have though? 42. So 120 points. 120 points. We caught 30 of that, Greg.
Shoo!
Come on.
Come on, I know. Come on.
Uh,
If you look at these green candles today, the bulls have been strong buyers. Well, yeah, man. I mean, also think about it. We went up. We were at the 200s yesterday, right? Or down to the 150s or something. So we're already up friggin', 650 points from the lows.
yeah.
So, yeah, this has been definitely a strong push-up day. But I guess I would say this is kind of the point now we need to break through for it to continue.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Trading Cowboys in a trade.
No, I'm not yet.
He gives you that tiny little yeah. You're like, uh-oh.
You know, on
He's
the 5
sneaking a
minute, I'm
trade
just thinking,
somewhere.
okay, we got some EMAs to kind of control it, and we had a little push down first when this 5 minute started. So, but I mean, right here is a definite. We don't want to go there again. We just wicked through our 21, so we don't want to see maybe if we draw it like this. We just came through our 21. We did this same little wick here. This a lot of times shows me a reversal down.
Mm-hmm.
We're building out that bull flag. So then on the 5, I was looking, and we kind of have 838. Yeah, see, there's a nice little bull flag. That 838 was support, so we could have set our stop down below it, but just missed it. Huge push.
Wow, man. Yeah, these bulls today, right?
Yeah.
The bulls.
I just didn't quite expect that pullback all the way to the 770s before we bounced, really. I mean, I know we have VWAP there, but
Mm-hmm.
I was kind of thinking 820s before we, bounce there, then push back higher. But
And here we're tapping our 5-minute opening range high. That's what the 887
Yeah.
is.
okay.
Yeah, everything's still rocket shipping.
Yeah.
Still
What are you
pushing.
thinking, Greg? What are you thinking?
Man, I'm thinking I'm trying to follow a lot of your guidance today, man. But I don't know. I
I'm
guess
trying to be patient here because we're so far up here.
yeah.
I mean, I kind of think 909, 910 is kind of our top before we get a little retracement if we're going to get any more pushback up. So
Yeah. Coming back down to like
but
the
we're kind of
840s.
stopping and building a little bit right here. So
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, on all screens, look at NVIDIA, beautiful bull flag popping out. Same thing with Qs,
yeah,
popping up pretty good. ES popping up, and VIX is going down. 1 hour looks great. So, yeah, if we can get a little pullback right here, Is that the little pullback you want to see?
That is it, buddy.
But how far? Holy jeez, this is quite the pullback now.
Okay.
1023.
So yeah, just to show you this little, well, let me see if I can get it on my screen here. This is just one of the funded top steps I got, but
Oh, nice.
we just took that little short right there for $1,259.
Damn, dude.
Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see that on there. It kind of hides that.
When did you enter?
I caught it right up here at that 895. So
Man. See, why
look
aren't
at
you
the
calling
bottom.
that stuff out, bud? I don't get it.
I guess I got in at 900. I closed one at 883, and then I closed the other one at 827. So
You gotta let
I
us
was down a little bit
know,
on that
man.
account, so-
You gotta let us know. Don't be afraid of those trades. Those are beautiful trades, man. And more importantly too, so the second you went short was the second I was considering going long, because I almost thought like, you know, if we can push back through the 896s again, like maybe that'll be good. And we did push the 896s, went up to 903. So literally I almost punched long the second you just got a beautiful short.
But see, I told you that. So that 905 is the wicks back here on our previous candles. You know,
Yeah.
our 854, all those candles.
Yeah.
So I was expecting maybe to go to the top of that body at 910.
And then get
And I
some
kind
type
of
of
think, man,
pullback.
after this huge run, that's going to kind of be the top. We had all those wicks, so there's a lot of resistance there.
Yeah.
So I wasn't expecting quite that kind of a drop, but we got it. So I'm
Damn.
happy.
Yeah, we got it. No, man, you got good insight. You gotta keep talking. You're giving us good stuff, man.
I don't know why my tongue gets stuck to my mouth whenever I get a trade, though. That's the
Yeah, well, it's the live. It's doing it live. Doing it live is definitely
Yeah.
a different animal, man. It gets a little nerve wracking because, first off, you want to be right in the trade, but then also you want to be right in front of people, and you definitely don't want to be wrong in front of people. So
yeah. And then live and all that, and having to work in a funded account.
right,
And that's an extra step.
yeah.
And I mean, I hate to take a trade right now because I need $67.
Yeah, it's so close, right? It's so stinking close. So now that we're pushing this point, we came all the way down and pushing this point again. Do we think we're going to push through it? Or are you about to go into a sneaky short again?
I think we have to. I mean, I don't guess we have to, but it's crazy for us to have that huge drop and then not have that push back up through that. So.
Yeah.
In fact, let me switch. Let me move over here real quick. And let me add.
Yeah, Nvidia's still looking strong. Q's still looking strong. ES had a little bit of a wiggle, though, at the top there. Yeah, a little bit of resistance here, the 900s, but I think you're right. I mean, VIX is still going down.
What are we doing here? Hold on just a second, guys.
Trying to decide which one to actually trade.
Well,
got
I was
too
trying to
many.
get another one pulled up over here, and then it just everything disappeared.
Oh, no.
Okay, there's that. Now give me this over here. Thank you. All right, guys. So kind of building out a nice little bear flag or bull flag. I mean,
flag
right there,
there.
don't you think? I mean,
Yeah.
There she goes. I don't know. Are they trying to trap the bulls here?
Huh. Definitely slowing down, but it's still, Nvidia is just rocket shipping though. Look at Nvidia all the way up to the 182s now.
Oh yeah, nice. So that was the perfect little pullback on them, right into the box and then right back up.
Right. And we've just been wicking. We have 2 5-minute candle wicks above our box.
Yeah.
I mean, we are getting 1 minute. We're getting 1 minutes above it though. These are quite a few candle closures above the 1 minute.
It's still trying to push. Man, I don't know.
So stop would be like 870. It'd be a 30-point stop.
Yeah. Yeah, and you'd want to have it a little bit below that just in case it does a little wick, but
Man, this is volatile up here. Well, here's our 1030 candle. Nvidia's starting to curl down a little bit. Shoot. This is kind of a tough one.
yeah, I mean, Nvidia's kind of at that 50% above the box. So it's going to act as a little bit of resistance at that pivot point. So everything may get a small pullback, but we're not just totally dropping, but we're starting to chop in this area right here.
So if we break 871s, maybe.
Yeah,
For a
if we get a
short.
fast wick, maybe. Yeah.
Or this is
And now
better
we're
to stay
getting a
away
little
from.
bit of,
Huh.
we're getting a little bit of support now. I mean, we have the 861, we have our 21 there, we have our
45. Yeah. A lot of support.
yeah. So we'll see if we get a bounce there. Or... Sometimes I just can't get these screens to do what I want it to do. Sometimes I can't split them, and I can't.
Yeah,
Take
man.
the dog out of me.
Yeah. Well, and it gets finicky with TradingView too, depending on how many you have. I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 TradingView screens.
I was kind of looking at those, 50-inch curved monitors.
Yeah.
I wonder how easy you can put all those on there.
Yeah, man. It would look nice. But sometimes it gets frustrating too, actually, with the ratio of some of those giant screens. It'll almost be like the ratio isn't correct for it to be like, ooh, we
Right.
think we're gonna push. We're gonna push it.
Yeah, I wish I'd have got in a little earlier when it bounced off the 21 again, but 15 seconds and I'll kind of decide maybe. The 5 definitely got a bounce. No, not a real big wick on the top of that 5.
Mm-hmm.
Same with the 15, so I kind of like a little up play right here if we push. Oh, come on. Well, I'm just going to get in right there. Just one contract.
Order filled.
Come on, we've been waiting on you. Go ahead and push to the top.
Literally. There we go. Come on. Need something better than that, though, please. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I'm gonna leave this
All right, I'm out at 15. And you're adding. Look at you, you monster.
I'm thinking about it.
Shoo,
I'm
nice,
gonna go ahead and
man.
bring it up here. Go ahead and take me. All right. Hey, not bad. What did we get there? What'd you get? I think I got 22, maybe.
Yeah, I got
Wasn't a
98 to
quickie, yeah, man.
15, 5, 6, 7, 17. 17 points isn't terrible. My problem, though, is, man, I'm still just, obviously, I'm copy trading, so I'm doing on just one micro at a time. So
Oh,
that's like
yeah.
a $32 profit per account, which every time I've sized up, though, I've just really screwed it up, man.
Yeah. No, there's nothing wrong with that at all. You know, I think if you can get comfortable at that, then it wouldn't be a problem to have, 5 NQs.
Yeah, then start sizing, start sizing,
Yeah.
start sizing.
Yeah.
Nice. Marco with the 100, he got the 30 points off of it, too. We got some
Sweet,
W's in the
Mark.
chat.
Heck yeah.
Got some W's in the chat. And Nvidia's really pulling away now. ES is
I
going up
wanted
to
to
its
leave my
highs.
stop down here. I really wanted to leave it down there, but I think we could get a push if it could build here. I don't like that wick starting to form. Couple of seconds left. We got that 50-second push. I always talk about that, guys. Every time a 5-minute closes, you kind of know what's going to happen. We get that 50 seconds, that last 50 seconds of that 5-minute, 7, 8 times out of 10, it will push, and you'll get
Yeah.
a little pop.
Yeah. So Marco's
Now it's
saying that
showing
was
a little
his
weakness.
A plus setup there as well.
Yeah, good. I'm glad me and Mark are on the same page.
Yeah, buddy. I know, man. This might be the squad. Trading Cowboy, Marco, sink or swim. Shoo.
Yeah. And let me see if I can drag it over here just for the stream, but we took it off a while ago.
You get your 60? Is that what you're saying?
But we got that. So we got 15, 17 for the day. We're 53, 0, 31, 50. So
Crazy,
we passed
dude.
another one.
Passed another one. It's insane, man. You just chew out evals. How many on average are you passing a week?
Well, when I'm having to buy them to be on your show, I've been passing quite a bit here lately. So
Hell yeah,
think
dude.
you weren't here Tuesday to tell us to stop trading. So
Yeah.
we lost some fundeds Tuesday, so we're trying to recollect those. But
Yeah.
we're trying to
Dude.
get, I think overall, I had a, Apex won't let me back in, but they let the ones that I had subscriptions to, they let renew. Now, I
Oh,
have to pay,
nice.
instead of paying $20 for them, the renewal is like 80.
Oh, shit.
So I'm paying
Yeah.
$80 for those, but I had one renew yesterday, so we traded that on stream yesterday.
Yeah.
And got that one passed because
Hell yeah.
you can pass it in one day. So we got that one passed, but I'm trying to just kind of go for I got 5 lucid fundeds. Gonna try to get 5 take profit fundeds again.
Yeah.
Have a couple top steps, but I have those top steps just because
Trade went down.
not last week. Yeah.
Right.
I don't think I recommend top step, but
Dang, dude. Beautifully done. Yeah, I got to get on that level. I need to have a nice little string of fundeds here. So Mark says we had a push, and then we took out that swing low on the 1027. Let's double check our 1027 candle. Okay, we had the push. So here's the push Mark is talking about. Then we took out the swing low on the 1027 candle, which was right here. So we had this push up, pop down. When we took out that swing low, which is us taking it out there, and then pushed away on the 1032 candle. Yep, so that was his entry. Boom. Took it for 30 points. Nice, man. Nice.
and I guess we kind of got that 930 kind of resistance because that's the top of our box too, huh? I really didn't pay attention to that a while ago, so
1031.
so now maybe we're building out to get a little push up, but at the same time we're building a little mini bear flag. So
Yep.
wouldn't surprise me if we push back down to the 21.
So then based on, well, even Marco's trade right now too, so we'd want this, one of these candles to now break the 1036 candle. So we want to break a 903 candle, then have it push back up. Interesting. Man, I'm still down on the day just a little bit, just from yesterday's trading. Friggin' 7 p.m. trading.
Come on, how many points have we caught now, though? Haven't we caught 70 to 100 points?
Yeah, man, but I know. But I also bobbled, that one trade. I held it for too long. I held one trade for negative 40 points or something.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm only up like $50 right now. I'm down technically 204, but I was down like 280. So there you go. So I guess I'm up like $80.
We got this. We got this. There's our break below.
Yeah, we need a 902 break here, which we haven't gotten yet. But breaking below that little trend line there. ES is still looking relatively strong. Nvidia's having a little bit of a curl back. VIX is still going down though.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's kind of keeping me out of this little short, because I don't want it to wick just through 902 and then pop.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if it would wick through the 21, then I'd love to be in that, but I don't know why the mentality goes straight from when it's dropping, I want to go long.
Yeah.
And when it's pumping like this, I'm looking for a short.
Yeah.
I can't explain that.
Well, that's always me too, and then just usually I'm wrong. When it's pumping, I'm like, it's a short, it's a short, it's a short, it's a short, and then it's still pumping.
I'm gonna try just one right there. Well, it got me a little high.
You're punching long right now.
Yeah, don't get in this trade, guys.
Don't get into this trade, guys.
don't follow me. Well, I was trying to get in way down here at the 18s, and then it just popped.
Yeah.
We'll let it play a little bit, see if we're gonna get a push or not. I mean, geez, it got me in right where I wouldn't want to be in, those 930s. Okay, at least Mark said he might be going long too. I wish I would have waited with you, Mark.
Yeah. I mean, I'm like fingers on the trigger here, man. Instead, watch, I'm gonna punch it long at like friggin' 950, because I'm just waiting. All right, I'm in at 922.
Quick wick. I didn't like that, guys.
Come on, baby, let's do it. So Mega Musketeer price gapped up on the 1 minute time frame at 7:21 on my screen. I think it messed up my 3 minute time frame setup for entry. So
there we go, guys. There we go.
Oh shit.
So I took one off right there. Gonna just trail this one a little bit. See if we can get a little pop.
Yep, trailing as well.
Kind of running out of steam. So watch the top of that candle. As soon as you see it run out of steam, I kind of like to push it straight up. But
yeah. Not a bad trade, man. Not a bad call out. I got a 922 to 936.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Now kind of still looks juicy to me, but.
Man, I almost punched. I almost doubled up that. I almost doubled that one up too. And then right when I was about to, you're like, "Don't follow this trade." I'm like, "Well, I'm probably gonna follow the trade anyways." But all right, I'll only do one. Yeah, VIX is still crushing, man. VIX is still crushing down. So VIX goes down, we go up, right?
That's right. That's the theory.
So here again, do
So
we want to put a buy at 935 basically, or do we not want to
Yeah, I mean,
snag
you
it
could
up
do
that
that if
high?
it could push back through. I don't know. 15 seconds. Let's let this candle close, see what the next one's going to do. But we may get a little 50-second push. Let's see if we get our 50-second push on this next close candle, too. I mean, this one's going to close, be the end of our 15 and our 5. So,
Ooh, Marco's saying ordering at 900.
order in at 900. So, okay. I don't like this little setup right here, per se. See how we retraced about half of that previous 2 wicks and rejected. So I think we get a little downside right here, honestly. I say that now. This will be the 100-point ripper we were.
Dude, the friggin' face ripper right here. Yeah, I mean ES just broke a session high.
Okay.
Q's is setting up for a long. Nvidia's still setting up for a long. Oh shoot, here, this is what I'm trying to look at. It was looking better a second ago. VIX is still crushing. ES is curling. Q's have actually been a little bit.
I really like Marco's setup right there. I mean, I really think if we could get that wick down to the 900s,
yeah,
that would be a good buy, because we're going to wick through the 21. We're going to clean up all those previous wicks. I drew this little blue line right here a while ago just for the little bear flag to see if it played, and then it stayed above it. Now it's kind of holding it, but we keep making lower highs right here just on this little 1 minute. So we can't get above that 930. If we can get above that 930, I'd like to see it build out above it, close, and then come back and retest it, and then maybe try to go long off of that.
Yeah.
Give me just a second, guys. I'm going to go start me some more coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, man. Now we're going to burn the world down while he's gone. He's going to come back and be like, all right, so we had 5 accounts. They're all gone now. Yeah, man. ES is still pushing. Q's are still curling up. Nvidia, same thing. Still kind of curling up, man. It's getting a little frustrating just sitting here. Because it seems like we're bound and determined to go up here to the 980s. 1046. Let's see if we get any type of curl down. I have that buyout at 900. Now we're 50 points away from it, though. It seems like we're just going to keep pushing. If we get some type of retracement here, we could also put in a buy with a stop at like the 917s. Yep, still just going. Just going. Any retracement. Man, what a recovery, though. W shape just into the face. All right, still pushing, seeing if we can't get it up here to like the 980s. Hey, there he is. Oh, no. Our voice of reason.
What did we do?
I know.
Did we catch the top again?
Yep. Caught it perfectly.
So our 5 minutes trying to close kind of above our ORB, so Would definitely be nice to see it close above it, maybe with a little bit bigger body.
Yep. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard, Mark, right, to catch these things because it just keeps. Oh man, the volatility today, right off the 21. Let me move this a little bit. We'll buy another one.
Order filled.
Take this guy out. Put another stop down here. Come on, keep pushing it. There we go. Come on. Shoot, it didn't take it. Ah, shit, it didn't take it. That was going to go against me. I have no mojo this week. Man, right? That's how I feel too, man. I feel so down about it, you know? It's so shitty. Ugh. Well, shoot, man.
Stop filled.
Here's kind of our 900 punch. Still going.
Damn it.
I'm going to try a quick just dip by right there. Not risking too much.
Order filled.
She's not done yet, I don't think.
Oh, no. So here's the story.
Kind of was just hoping that the 14 and 21 was going to hold. There's one out. Still pushing. I'm going to set a stop so we don't get 8 totally up.
Order rejected.
Yeah, my stop got rejected.
Not great. Little risky move there. Got, I don't know, what did we get? 120 maybe. Just playing off the 5-minute. Hit our 21. Went through our 14, hit our 21. Was just kind of thinking we had 2 little supports there.
Yeah.
Now we're kind of wanting to watch this candle. I mean, this is, I don't know if this is kind of what Marks looks at, but kind of want this candle to be green if we're going to get a push back up. Wicked a little lower than I like, so I'm going to wait a little bit. If it had wicked about half that and shot back up, it's going to do it anyway now. But
So Mark says, story for you guys, show you how my week has been. A family friend gave us a really nice snowblower that had a flat tire. So I go pick it up, get it in the back of my truck, get it home, unload, tire wouldn't fill up. So I tried to get it off the snowblower, grabbed a hammer, hit it gently, broke the axle clean off.
oh,
No, dude.
oh.
Ugh. So infuriating, right? Especially because obviously, like, you need the snowblower too, right? It's not like you didn't need it. So not only do you have, you know, broken snowblower, but you also have just a driveway full of snow. Oh, son of a gun, man. Son of a gun.
Does anybody use this little yellow line I have right here? This is on one of my take profits, but it's on Tradevate, but it's one of the VWAPs that somebody created and
Oh, no
put on
way.
there.
Yeah,
So
community.
you really don't have a VWAP on Tradevate, I don't think, but This is one that you could download and put on there from there if you search it. But
Yeah.
sometimes it holds up, but
Yeah,
it's
I
not
have. Sorry, I was gonna say I have it too, but it's on the Let me. What if I change this to NQ? So same problem on MNQ. It's showing 713. On NQ, yeah, NQ it pops it right up where it's supposed to be.
Sometimes
850.
it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's never in line with anything else. I mean, on Trade-Evade on my 1 minute, my VWAP's way down here at 738.
Yeah, that's kind of interesting, actually, isn't it? I didn't realize that that's what you're kind of talking about. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Huh. We don't need it, he says. It's about to go to the dump. The poor thing. The poor snowblower. We don't need you no more.
All right, good bounce off that 820 area. So,
which is almost as equally as frustrating now, Mark. Now you gotta, deal with that. The dump is 20 minutes away. Now you gotta drive to the stinking dump and blah blah blah.
yeah.
Son of a gun.
All right, 5 minute close.
Shoot, so kind of still coming down here. 817 seems like it's a pretty important point at the moment. Everything's still.
I'm gonna try one right there just to see if this area holds.
Trying to long ski.
Yeah, it's been holding right here at the bottom of this, so.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Just gonna trail that bad boy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there's 25 points right there, guys.
Nice. Man, I did not get that. I got 7 points.
Okay, so now we'll have to rotate accounts again. We got 1550 on that one for the day.
Fuck me, man. Crazy. I just don't get it. I don't know if I gotta. Fuck. It seems like every time I size up, I screw it up, though. Every time I size up, I screw it up. But I need.
So I mean, here's a good setup right here. Another long right here, maybe. Kind of target the 88s. I'm not opposed to that. We're getting a little push, but yeah, there you go. Look at that, right there.
There you go.
I never said that you can have the computer.
So let me go
Nice,
something
man.
else.
Good. We did that one with 10. We got 10 points off of it. The 200 bucks,
go.
finally. Now we're
Hey.
back to. Fuck, man. I'm back to 100 on the day. But I'm still down 196 from fucking yesterday. Just even made the dog nervous.
Well, somebody
there.
longed that top while ago when I was gone too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, exactly, dude. See? I need you here. You're my Jiminy Cricket. You're on that shoulder. Let me know. Oh, my God. You have a farm, Greg. You know how nice it is to have good small engine tools around. Dude, I know it, man. I have so much stuff just lying around. I even have a 50cc engine that's just lying around right now. I just have so much stuff, man. At one point, I had 6 go-karts. I went through this just crazy Facebook Marketplace go-kart buying spree, and I just kept buying as many go-karts as I could. So I started cycling through all those. We got 4-wheelers and all that stuff, man. The biggest thing for me now, too, is like scraps of wood and PVC pipe. Like, I have so much scraps of wood and scraps of PVC pipe all spread around this property. And I feel like I keep needing it, too. Every other day I'm like, fuck, all right, here's another one. Actually, I forgot about that, too, now that I'm back from the stinking trip. Right before we left, because of the cold snap, 2 of our pipes burst. So we had a pipe burst in our barn. So that's another I got to go out there and fix that sooner than later. Right now, there's not water going into the goat's water dish. Babe, do you remember that? I forgot about that. Is there any water in the goat's dish right now? Yeah, I know. That's what I'm talking about to these guys right now. I forgot about it. So you've just been putting water out of the bucket into the trough each day? And they can get into the blue bucket, or you're using the blue bucket to fill out the trough?
No, I'm just leaving it in the blue bucket.
Oh.
Next to the sink so that they see
And
it.
they can dip their heads in and stuff. Okay.
But this weekend.
So here's the thing I like about Lucid right here, guys. Passed that one a while ago. A few minutes later, get a deal you passed. Upgrade to funded. You do it right then. Boom. Funded within 10, 15 minutes.
Boom.
Ready to trade.
And just keep rocking and rolling.
Yeah.
All right, so let's work on passing these accounts then. let's pass a couple accounts here. Okay.
So now we kind of got, let me clear this out. We're kind of setting up. Let's move that up here maybe. Kind of surprising that we've held up here. We're kind of trying to break that wick.
Yeah.
Push down. Entry right there, Greg. That's where I'd be. Right there at the 21 if it's showing support. Little push to 910 again. I think that's a familiar number we looked at a while ago, 905.
Yep. So you're saying if it pushes back down to like the 887s, you try that?
Yeah, I mean, I liked it a second ago. It's showing support every time it bounces through there. So.
Right.
Order filled.
Let's see. We caught a little bit late, unfortunately, 93 here.
Order filled.
What time even is it? Oh, it's 11 o'clock right now. Shoot, I should have paid attention to that. This is our brand new 5-minute candle. Ooh.
Yeah. Come on, let's get a push.
Yep, come on.
I mean, we got our support. We got our 14 holding at 75. Oof, I don't like that close there. Building out a little bit of a bull flag if we close our eyes at 10.
Order filled.
It's all right. We pushed up a little bit, enough for me to get out of one.
Order filled.
All right, we got a little bit on it. Thanks, baby. I really appreciate it. I haven't had tea in a little bit, too. Nice, man. Thanks. Make sure you lock in with Mama, though. Please complete your schoolwork, but I do appreciate you. You nutter. Man, there you go. There's that real strong push, man. You were right.
Yeah.
Got out a minute early, like always. Man.
Get a little nervous sometimes, but.
Yeah. All right. Let's get into this thing. Come on. VIX is still coming down. ES is still going up. Qs is still going up. NVIDIA is kind of going up, but it's stalling out at the same time. They really got to get out of their zone there.
Yeah, we got the 930s right there, so I think we'll get a little rejection maybe right here for a second. I don't think we'll push right through it.
So you don't use the 9 EMA at all. You only use the 21?
Yeah, I just use the 21. Now on TradingView, I've got the 14 and the 21.
Oh, okay.
And I kind of just use those as, if the 14's over the 21, then I know I'm long.
Mm-hmm.
If they cross over, then I know I'm kind of in a downtrend. But
Right.
they kind of stay a little close together. So I used to have everything on my chart. I mean,
I mean, that's
I
me.
had where it showed the channels and the VWAPs, and
Right.
I don't even use the VWAP on my other trade evates. So
Yeah. Yeah, I'm slowly, I don't know, slowly starting to get there, I guess. I don't
and I
use.
think as soon as everybody, I think once ever somebody gets a setup they like,
Right.
that you can take everything off you don't use, and then you're saying, okay, when it goes through this and does this, then that's what I'm going to do. So
Right.
I bear flags and bull flags, and then I like to see the push down and see a doji and buy it halfway through the next candle. I mean, over and over and over again.
Yeah, pretty simple. Well, and that's what people say is you eventually got to find just that one move and then perfect that one move, and that's the only move you're looking for. It's the only move you trade
Yeah.
on.
And I constantly watch other people, because I do truly think that the market movers get on and watch some of these guys and say, oh, okay,
That's a good
this
idea.
guy's telling 5,000 people to wait for this box to clear,
Right.
and so we're going to let it clear, then we're going to push all these people out. So
Right.
I think I'm constantly evolving too, using the 80 and the 20 as kind
Well,
of a mental deal.
And that's what I was just gonna bring up as well, is
Yeah.
exactly that, man. Just taking those little pieces, those little gold nuggets out of everybody.
What a push, though.
Yeah, and then Mark, yeah, you just need your own system that you're comfortable executing consistently. I agree, man. Yeah, what a stinking push, man. I got out of this trade at 898. Oh, there's almost 100 points right there.
That I called out for y'all guys.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. I love it, man. I know you're our golden goose here, bud. We're not gonna let you go.
I owe it all to my wife. Every day she goes in and writes on my coffee cup something, so she just put Happy Friday right there. So
Hell yeah, that's a good girl. I love it. And you've been, I'm sorry, together how long again?
25 years. Well, we've been married 25 years, so
Yeah.
we've been together 30. So
Dang, man. Very
high school
good.
sweetheart.
Yeah. Beautiful thing.
All the kids are grown out of the house.
She was the prom queen, and you were the captain of the football team.
Close. Maybe basketball.
Nice, dude. Basketball. I wouldn't have guessed it.
We got to get a good banger for Mark so we can get a new snowblower.
Yeah, I know it. And Matea Solutions, top of the morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you so much for seeing us and hanging out with us.
Yeah, nice of you to come by. We talked quite a bit yesterday afternoon on my channel, so it's good to see you here.
Oh, hell yeah, man. Very nice.
See, he caught my plug for Sink or Swim.
Yeah. I was going to say, appreciate the crossover here, man. I love it.
Yeah.
Damn, I don't know what to do now. We're just pushing. I mean, we've been talking about 25,000 this whole morning, and here we are, 10 points away.
Yeah, so I mean, that's a 100-point banger right there, right off the 21.
Right. Shit, man. I know, and I held that stop so tight, too. I kept it so tight. I got 6 points off of that. 6 points out of 100.
I get a little nervous calling those out like that, but yeah, I mean, I think our stop could have been under 80. I mean, right there at the body, so 76s.
Yeah.
So risk about 12, 13 points, maybe 15.
Yeah, shoot.
I usually give myself a good 20 points.
Yeah.
So if I can get in and my stop is going to be 15, I'll go ahead and push it to 20.
Good. Yeah, VIX still going down, ES going up, Q's breaking new session high, NVIDIA new session high, we're new session high. Up here 25,000. I mean 25,037 kind of seems likely at this point too if we can keep pushing 25.
Let's switch back over here. We try to find another account we can trade.
I'll send you one of mine, man. Trade my account.
We're running out, guys. All right. We're back in the game.
Back in it, baby.
You know, that was frustrating the other day, you know, when Tradevate went down, I bought that one top step
Yeah.
and got on and I was trading it and made like the 50% consistency rule in a couple minutes. And I was like, well, now what?
Now what?
Like,
Yeah.
what, you know, I wasn't expecting that, you know, now what do I do?
Dang, man. Good problem to have, though, bud. You know?
It is, but that you don't want to get too, and that's why I like sitting patient sometimes because, you know, sometimes I feel like I can't lose, and that's when I lose a lot more.
Yeah. Well, shoot, man. I got basically 10 minutes left of this session, so let's try to get one more good one in the next 10 minutes. And then I got to get going. I mean, it seems like we're forming a little bit of a bull flag right now, but we're right at the tippity stinking top.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I don't want to get faked out right here. I don't really want to be short, but I like that I would only have just a small stop loss.
Yeah, I know it, right? I know it'd be a 10-point stop. That's not bad for what
Yeah.
could be a 50-point quick drop.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it could just be guaranteed that you're getting out of 10 points.
Right. Yeah. I mean, I think they want 2,500 or 25,000 for sure. So.
Correct. Yeah, and even looking at the 1 hour too. I mean, again, it looks like just looking at these bodies lining up 25,031.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I think the 25-30s are still in play.
Miguel, what's up, buddies?
Hey, Miguel, good to see you, buddy.
Right?
My outlaw. He always comes on and says the Outlaws are together again when I see him.
Dude, I love Miguel, man. You guys, he's like our number one hype person. You know? Number one hype man is Miguel. Now, Jose is number 2.
Yep.
Man, so that was a nice wick back up, huh?
It was. I mean, is it trying to trick us or what? How's Miguel doing this morning? Talk to us, Miguel. Talk us out of this.
Yeah, talk us out of this trade. Ugh.
And I don't know, kind of 40-point stop right now. Seems like all our volume dried up.
Mm-hmm. So I haven't traded for 2 days. That's crazy, right, Miguel? I shouldn't have traded 2 days. I had a great week and a half, and then yesterday and the day before were terrible. But I mean, at the same time, this volatility. I don't know. I'm just making excuses, but we did go up 700-800 points, you know, in 24 hours. So it's just hard. There's just so many buyers and sellers and opinions on which direction the market's going to go. So it's getting real wicky. But again, just making excuses because we have the man with the hat over here that's, you know, passed friggin' 37 evaluations in the last 3 days. So there's that as well.
Lost about that many fundeds too, though. So we got them back. Yeah, Miguel, that's good. I wish I had that. You know, I try not to look at charts at night because I found that kind of really. That's kind of my end all. If I look at charts, then I want to be in it, and I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, this is easy,
Ugh.
and then the weekends, man, I try not to look. Sometimes Sunday open, I'll get on and kind of look and see if there was a gap or something. But
Yeah. Well, that was my
I
problem,
don't know
man.
if I
Is
could take 2 days off during the week.
last Sunday I traded and I ended up making like 800 bucks, just on one account too. It was on a 50K,
Yeah,
and I was like, "This is great. I should have done this with if I was copy trading my, 25Ks right now. I'd be really freaking happy, you know." And
yeah.
so based on that success, I was like, "All right, let's try it again." So I've tried it two. I've traded at nighttime two other times since, and both times have been terrible.
I mean, I like the setup here. I'm not mad about the setup here
For
to see
the
if we could get a push, but man, we're just so slow.
for the long, you're saying?
Yeah, but I mean, man, we're just slow.
Yeah. I mean, I gotta imagine a lot of people are shorting right now too, being 25,000. So maybe that helps push it up as well. The
Yeah, I
opposite
mean,
thing
if you
happens.
think about it, the Bulls are sitting here building momentum. I mean, they're calling all their friends saying, "Hey, get some more money. We're fixing to pump this."
Right. I'm gonna try it, man. I'm gonna try it really quick. I'm gonna see if I can't get the 34s. We're in at 5.
That was kind of a quick wick up right there. So yeah, Miguel, did your arms and everything start itching when you weren't trading and stuff, and
Who, right?
you feel all warmed up inside,
You
or
start getting the shakes a little bit.
yeah? I mean, we look really strong, guys. I mean, I kind of think we at least see those 25s to 30s.
Hmm.
We just got to get through this 10 area. Super slow grind up, though. I'm not really happy with that little candle we just had. I hate to see a clear candle like that where it opens and closes at the same.
Yeah.
I
Especially when it's
usually see that.
right at the tippity top here.
Yeah, I usually see that as a direction change coming. So
And stopped out.
15 minutes getting a push down right now on the open. Try to hold there, but may have to see the. I don't know if we could see the 60s again, but
Come back to the 21.
yeah. Kind of the top of that 945 candle is 62-ish.
No internet connected computers. No, man. What's going on
Cash
there in
those monitors, Miguel.
California? Still
And I have
pushing
no
down.
idea how you can trade on your phone with Tradevate.
Oh, I know,
Those
man.
guys are
I've,
geniuses to do that.
yeah, I've tried, and it slips the entry every single time. Like if you do a market buy on your app, like instantly you're down 5 points or something like that. The second you click it, every single time.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, Miguel, after I saw Patrick's doing everything, I went on there and plugged all mine in.
Yeah,
It
I
just runs.
do. When you said it, yeah, Patrick. I can't remember what the guy's name is, but we have internet connected computers. We got internet connected computers. And then there's that other guy that's like, my Discord is different than everybody else's Discord.
I'm going to try a little long right there, guys.
Yep, I'm in it
Stop
with
down
you.
here below those wicks. I'll bring it into profit pretty fast if it gets up. Now I'm at break even. Let's see if it'll run. Come on, push. Don't just stop. I forget it. I'm gonna. Oh, hold on, guys. I'm back in. I'm a little higher than I was, but don't like that wick up. Really, could be a little bear flag playing out, but
Right. Come on, come
close
on,
and see
come
what
on.
happens.
Order filled.
Gonna come down about halfway, maybe. Kind of what we wanted to see is kind of bounce off our entry there. Wish I was a little lower. That first trade I got in, I should have left my stop down, but kind of just targeting back to the 2500s.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy,
Yeah, Bubba.
Jet broke Roy's sea urchins.
Aw.
You like your tea?
Yeah, I did, baby. Thank you.
Looks like coffee now.
Yeah, no, it's dark.
Yeah.
Man, we're just hovering here, man. Come on.
Yeah, just no push.
Do the damn thing. Well, I got out of 2 of mine. I actually went in on 3 that time. I decided to go heavy this time. I'm out of 2 of them. I got like 5 points on each one.
Yeah, there you go.
And here we get the push.
Push it.
After I'm already
it.
freaking out.
Come on. Oh, there we
Fuck me. I shouldn't. Yeah, look at this. I get too excited.
go. Had
Son
a little
of
more
gun,
than that, but
man.
hey, got a quick 15.
Yeah, I got 6 on each one. Like, look at this. Here's my little friggin' debacle screen. Stupid ass thing. Look at that. I had all 3 right there. And I got out at
Oh,
like
yeah,
6
perfect.
points, 6 points, then 6 points again.
I don't know why I brought my first one into profit so fast, but as soon as it wicked it, I knew I was like, no, this is gonna be a good push. But
Yeah. Shit, dude. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Alright, I lied. I'll give it 5 more minutes. 11:25, and then I gotta go.
oh, I was trying to get that quick trade in for you just so you'd be out of here. in
Man,
time.
I know it, bud. And that was the one. Had I held it, had I held it, that would have been all right. Now I'm down 200. I was down 280 to start the day, though. So we made $80 back over 5 accounts.
Heck yeah.
But deplorable that it's. God damn it, man. Look at this. 520s. There it is. There was the push we stinking wanted. Just didn't held.
Yeah, I mean, what do you do now? I mean, I don't know what you target now.
Yeah, nothing. I mean, on the 1 hour, again, 34. Then the top
Yeah.
of those wicks would be 57. Then 123, shoot, man, it's just ripping. Try to do a little blind short, back down the 25s. That'd probably be a bad idea. That only works out once out of 10 times,
Oh, I mean, I'm just glad you didn't buy the top right there. There
Shoot,
was
I
our
almost
25,
did.
30s that we're looking at.
I was about to,
Remember our
man.
25, 30s?
Yeah.
I mean, come on, guys. I've been calling out 25.030 for the last 2 hours.
Right. Yeah, man. I mean,
I knew
literally.
that was
Yeah.
gonna be a little resistance.
Literally.
I kind of think let this candle close and kind of see if we don't get a small push back up and then a little continuation back down. But
So you target the long or target the short?
kind of target the short maybe.
Yeah. All
I
right.
mean, it is building out a little bull flag, but
Yeah.
I'm going to try one short right there. Stop's going to be at the top of that body.
Order filled.
See if we can't get a push just back down here to clean up this. Just to clean up this wick right here at the 25s.
Yeah.
May not happen, but
I mean, Nvidia's curling down at the moment.
yeah, Miguel says range time. Yeah, I think so.
Yep.
Stop filled.
I just got stepped out. Stopped out for 4 points. Woo!
That a baby.
Blah. Can't hold it for shit.
I'm going to move it back to that wick there now. Only risking 7 points. Trying to see if we can't get that wick cleaned up right there. Kind of what we're looking at because there's no wick on this one, so I don't know if it'll come fix it or not.
Mm-hmm.
Come on down. Little support right there starting to turn in. Kind of cleaned up that bottom wick, but
Well, that's the interesting thing about. So that's the 9 right now. If you look at my screen really
oh,
quick,
is it?
it's
Okay.
bouncing right on the 9 EMA. And I was
Okay.
thinking, maybe the 9 honestly is a hindrance to me. Like it does provide a little bit of support, but then at the same time, I
Oh,
would have
there
gotten
we
out of
go.
the trade because of that. I did get out of the trade because of that.
Yeah,
And
so
you,
there we go. So I don't know.
yeah,
I
you
don't know why
stayed
it
in it,
always.
man. I might have to get rid of this 9. Maybe this 9 is too confusing.
So yeah, we went in at half that wick at 18. Got out at 98, so 20 points.
Nice,
Easy
dude.
as that, guys. Easy as that.
As easy as that. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta sit through it. I mean, on both of those trades, both those trades, I got out right away, and both those trades really worked in our favor. Like, look at this guy. I got out right here, and then it went up like 100 points afterwards.
Yeah.
Well, 30 points. I got out here, and then, like you said, went down another 20, 30 right there.
And there again, guys, I mean, I was just simply playing that 1021 candle that's on your screen, ran up, and had 0 wick on the bottom of it.
Yep.
So as we found a little resistance at the top, had that first red candle, entered it about halfway up that next one as it ran up, entered the short, stop above those bodies. So, risking 12 points. As soon as it dropped down, moved it to that wick, because we knew if it take out that wick, it would keep going higher.
Yep.
So then we were risking 7. Finally got the little flush, and we came straight down. I mean, straight down, and now we cleaned up that wick on that. So now this candle's fulfilled and done. So now we sit and be patient. We got a little doji here, so we're going to see if the 21 holds. I mean, if not, I think maybe back down to the 940s.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ooh. Yeah, but yeah, Nvidia's at support now. ES is about to be at its 9, so it's about to have support. Qs are almost to its 9.
And we may have just recorded my longest trade ever because that was like 2 minutes.
Dang, buddies! How funny. Yeah, still curling down.
Not everybody's perfect. Let me show. I don't know if I can get this on there, but I got to show y'all this. If I can get it up here.
And then any plans for the weekend? Asked Miguel. Not too many, man. We have football season just started for the little guys. So we have some flag football on Sunday, even though it's ungodly cold out right now. And then I just came back from the Keys. We were in the Florida Keys for my buddy's wedding Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Saturday, man, I gotta fix the broken pipes. I gotta fix the irrigation system because that had a broken pipe. Gonna be a lot of PVC in this weekend. That's what I'm gonna be doing.
We saw a frozen guana.
Yeah, and we saw some frozen guanas, man.
And he punched it in
Oh,
the
heck.
face.
I didn't punch it in the
Yeah,
face,
you
but
did. You kicked it in the face.
but yeah, there was legitimate. I know this is all the fun stuff I should have talked about too. There was a whole bunch of frozen iguanas, just like you see on the news in the Florida Keys, and literally like you would just walk up to them. They'd just be on the grass. You just walk up to them, and lift it up by the tail, you know, and it's just kind of like dangling there. There's a couple of monsters that were massive, and those ones still had a little bit of. Ooh, look at this! How do you like this candle right here?
Oh, I love it. I mean, this is the setup there again. I wish it had came down a little farther, but I don't want it to push up here and then come back down. I'd be a little leery, but I want to see it push straight down when it opens
Yeah,
and create that little wick. But
because we're about to get our 11:30 candles coming out here in just a second.
so we may get that little. Our 50-second push should have already started. So. But see, it's nice that you're starting to see what I trade.
Yeah.
And then you can decide on your own. Do I like that or?
Well, you pass an eval, so hell yeah, you know. So I'm making money with my system. Do you like making money? Sure, I like making money. All right, perfect, you know?
Yeah, guys, if you like doing this every day, just go to the bottom, click subscribe.
Right, that's all you got to do.
It's $5.99 a month.
All right, we just snagged a real quick long off that thing. Man, so I'm up like 90 on the day now, over 5 accounts, so almost $500, but it just feels shitty because we're down a lot more from yesterday. We're still down $198 compared to yesterday. So that kind of
Well, and that's what I wanted to show too, if I can get it up on my screen right here. So this is one of my fundeds just to show you how bad Tuesday was, right? So I rock along here trying to make a consistent 800 because that's kind of what I like to do in my fundeds.
Yep.
Perfect. Look at Tuesday, guys.
Dude.
I mean, just ate my lunch, right?
Yeah.
So then I came back with a little, I mean, I was pretty mad. So got all that back, you know, so anybody can eat that elephant, right? One bite at a time.
Yeah, one bite at a time.
But, you know, just to prove to you that not every trade's perfect.
Yep.
But then if you go back and look at my win duration, I mean, look, my fastest win, 9 seconds. But my longest, 49 seconds.
Yeah. So they're quick,
So
man.
that's the momentum I play, yeah.
Yeah, you're really looking for the like reversals. You're almost like a reversal trader. Well, I shouldn't say reversal trader, but it's like you wait for like the dip buy.
Yeah, exactly. So you know, I look for this setup right here every day.
Yep.
Just over and over and over again.
Sick,
and I don't
dude.
know what, you know, I think just because it started working one time.
Yeah. Hey, just one day I started working. So man, I do got to get going now. It's 11:30.
Yeah.
We'll dive into this more on Monday though, and really get down into the nitty gritty of this strategy, man. But yeah, I love it. I think you're doing a great job. And this will be listen, man. This is gonna be our course. We're gonna come up with the the Trading Cowboy Sink or Swim course. Unfortunately, mostly your information, but I can help put it together.
You can be
But
the
yeah, dude.
technology.
Between our course and then friggin' good news is AI, friggin' generated prompts and stuff.
We gotta get good news going.
You know, we're gonna listen. We're gonna have the G-wagons. We'll have a gaggle of G-wagons soon.
Heck yeah.
Cool. All right, I appreciate the hell out of you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in with us. Sorry we missed you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for my buddy's wedding, of course. Had a little bit of a tumultuous week myself, though Trading Cowboy, as you've seen, is absolutely amazing. The guy has passed about 57 different, evaluations this week. He's made about $1 million on his funded, so he's absolutely cracking it. So definitely like and subscribe to Trading Cowboy as well, please. Presumably, are you going to continue streaming later today?
Yeah, I'll probably jump on about lunchtime. I've been going and getting my lunch and bringing it back up here and eating lunch while we trade a little bit. So, yeah.
Hell yeah, guys. So there you go. So pop on over to him. We'll see you back bright and early Monday morning. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. And hell yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
Thanks, guys. Giddy up.
Yeah.